Nursery from grade 9.
Yeah.
So my dream is to become an IAS officer like you. And you are my big role model.
Minor correction in the question again. You should not become an IAS officer like me. You should become an IAS officer the way you are.
My name is Fauzana from grade 6, and may I know what are the changes that you are going to enforce to turn Tirunelveli into a completely developed city?
What is it that you want to see? You tell me two things. I'll answer them. Two things that you see as development. What do you see?
My question is, IAS exam is easy or tough?
Pass பண்ண பிறகு நான் easy தான் சொல்லுவாங்க.
My name is Eileen Mary and I am from grade 9. My question is, what is your next target for Nellai?
நிறைய டார்கெட் வச்சிருக்காங்க. I have a board in my chamber which is very colorful.
Once again, a warm greeting to everyone present here. So we all are gathered here to create a historical moment at MPS. Dear students, when we think of our future, it is obviously we have savings, right? So always saving comes in our mind because only that helps in a better future of our family as well as ourselves. So what are we contributing for a better future? So what have we saved for future? So keeping that in mind, our Muthamil Public School has taken an initiative to create a seed bank at our premises. So not very much ado, I kindly request our District Collector Mr. Vishnu to do the inauguration.